Hello everybody, it's me Letitia and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you some Marvel stuff that I got recently, which is in this bag. So the first one is this shoe. Let me show you guys. This is a size 9. This is Thor's Wings. The black is for Black Widow. This is green for Hulk. Captain America shield. This is for Iron Man. I think that's it. No, the purple. The purple's for Hawkeye. So I did a video of me opening it, and I'm going to show you that clip in a minute. But before I show you the clip, I just want to say the reason why my hair is very messy is because I opened it the same day, and also I might have snatched the shoe from Daniela, but that's just because I was excited, and yeah. So but I apologized to her after, so but anyway, yeah, show the clip now. This is the first bag I got. I don't know which one is which. This is the one I'm most. Oh, Daniel is there too. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, this is the one I'm most excited for. I'm excited for the other one too, but this one I'm most excited for. Okay. I don't know what the box is in there. It's mine. Oh my god.
You okay there, Tisha?
Okay. Do you want to see Daniela?
Oh, let me see. Oh, nice. Oh, the Captain America.
I don't even know what I'm going to wear it with.
Wings. I like it though, it's so cool.
It's mine, so it's mine.
Okay, cool. Alright.
Continuing with the next one I got. This one, me and Daniela have the same one. She got it for her birthday, and I got it before because I've been wanting it since I found out. So these ones is a bit dirty because I've worn it. That one I've not worn yet. But this one has Black Widow, Thor, Hulk, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Black Panther, Captain America, and I think that's it. Oh, what I like about this shoe is on the aglet, learned that from Phineas Ferb, it says Marvel. Did you know that, Danny? It says Marvel on the aglet. Look.
What? I didn't see that. Oh.
So cool. And I also opened this one on camera, so I'll show you that clip right now as well. I'm keeping these Marvel band boxes because. Oh, God. Oh, I thought it was whipped. Anyway.
Ew, nice.
And it actually smells the smell of a new shoe.
Oh yeah. So that you can see all the characters.
Thank you. The last thing I got, which is Marvel, I had to beg my sister to get it. She's like, why do you want that? You don't have to get everything Marvel, blah, 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 blah. But basically, I saw a channel, her name's Haynes. Well, her channel name's Haynes. Her real name is Amelia, I think. But, so, it has Thanos there for that's Gamora, and then you got Iron Man, Black Widow, Hulk, Star-Lord, and yeah. When I got this, I don't know if it's just me who thought this, but I thought it was going to be in order. But it's not in order because, like, Thor Ragnarok, which is here, like, how good is that picture? Let me just say. Is before Iron Man 3, which in reality, Iron Man 3 comes way before Thor Ragnarok. But anyway, I've done a couple pages. I haven't had time to colour in because I've been very busy, but I will be colouring the rest face. That's what I've done. I've done that page as well, and that one. Yeah, I'm just going to read the back, which is that, but I'm just going to read it for you guys. It says, "Let's go creative and colourful and help the Avengers, the Guardians of the Galaxy, Doctor Strange and Iron Spider write and save the universe from Thanos. Become a comic book artist inside this book. On each, no, not each, every page there's a full intuited, I don't know what that word says, scene from all the hit Marvel Studio films, so you can relive every moment that has led to your favorite superheroes to Avengers Infinity War." So yeah, and what I like about this book is that in Marvel they do this thing called an end credit, which is basically a scene after all the credits have gone. So in this one, this is Thanos when he puts his hand in the glove and he's like, "Oh, fine, I'll do it myself." I'm pretty sure that's in Age of Ultron. But yeah, I'm gonna put that there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my social media. Subscribe to my social media. Follow me on my social media. What am I saying? Follow me on my social media. And Daniela as well, who's over there.
Yay!
I love you guys and I'll see you next time. Bye.